In today's unboxing, I'll be featuring the first in line of our White Series collection, the Decagon. The Decagon is a 111 faceted diamond with 10 hearts and arrows patented by JANNPAUL. It is engineered to be one of the highest performing diamonds in the world, designed to surpass even our highest performing traditional super ideal cut round in any lighting condition. The main diamond here is a Decagon 0.68 EVS1, and when seen under white light in an office environment, it emphasizes the 10 perfect edges of the Decagon. Even when mounted on a ring, the Decagon exhibits perfect symmetry alignment, creating 10 distinctive arrows, which contributes to the diamond's brilliance. A fancy cut has never achieved light performance of this caliber, where it reflects intense light return even with various tilts and angles. The Decagon diamond is currently mounted on a unique petite series band done with descending milli sizes to complement the tapering effect to further accentuate the central diamond. When admiring the ring from a side profile, the classic interweaving prongs secures the main diamond in a sleek manner designed to showcase a clear view of your diamond's pavilion. With each customized design, our designers build up a 3D model true to your actual diamond's measurements and your ring size. In the process of modeling the band design, our designers considers every single detail, from the height of how your main diamond rests to the space between each individual milli diamond for the most proportionate look. The measurements from the 3D environment are then shared with our master crafters for them to bring it to life with their precise craftsmanship. In a room with mixed lighting, the Decagon displays a dazzling appearance as it illuminates with rainbow colors that's sure to capture anyone's attention from afar. The entire crown lights up and is designed to create a continuous burst of fire at any slight tilt and movement of the finger. With every single 111 facet placement optimized to achieve the highest performance possible, the Decagon's sunburst effects becomes even more apparent despite being under one of the dimmest lighting conditions. This is the true purpose of the White Series collection, where each cut is designed to showcase its revolutionary performance in any environment. When viewed under a direct light source similar to ballrooms or shopping malls, the Decagon is truly blinding with its bold flashes of fire. Even the slightest movement triggers an array of mesmerizing rainbow effects. This is truly one of the most reactive diamonds there is. The sun is blazing right now, and as we have the diamond ring outside, the main diamond and melees on the band are all flaring up in a symphony of colors. Even the signature melees on the band glistens with each movement, making the entire ring extremely eye-catching. At every tilt and angle, even to an extreme, you can see multiple sharp bursts of fire being emitted from the diamond, and it's really stunning. It is now 3 p.m. in the afternoon in Singapore. We have the ring right outside, but there's no direct sunlight at the moment, so there won't be a starburst effect in the scene, but there is still a bit of sunlight bouncing off the infrastructure where you can see a mix of brightness and rainbow scintillations. While we're under a tree and there's minimal sunlight seeping in between the branches, the Decagon still produces piercing bold sparks at every edge and corner at the slightest rock. In combination with the extreme brightness of the diamond, even under shaded sunlight, it looks absolutely spectacular. The sun has now shifted its position and it's getting really cloudy under the shaded area, but you can still see a beautiful dispersion of colors all around, in contrast to the perfect 10 arrows exhibiting an equal distribution of brilliance. And this is how your Decagon diamond is going to perform as we hit nightfall and the sun slowly sets behind us. You'll never have another dull moment wherever you go. Every JANNPAUL ring goes through a series of stringent quality assurance checks facilitated by a small team of expertise. Once the ring is crafted and approved, it is then packed into our JANNPAUL ring box, ready to be shipped or collected in our physical showroom. Thank you for watching the video. Do like this video if you enjoyed watching this, and subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on our Instagram for more.